I welcome all of you guys in the lesson number 30 for grade 2 mathematics. We are studying about the mass and you have studied about the mass units, gram and kilogram. Yesterday, you also finished one of the practice zone, which was on page number 138, that the mass of school bag is 2 kilogram. We will have a quick revision today and then we will continue from comparing mass where we left yesterday, and inshallah we will come to the practice zone of comparing mass also, and we will finish it in the class. So guys, we were talking about comparing masses, right? I taught you how to read different weight scales. We have already discussed how to check the mass of flour, mass of rice, mass of apple by two different weight scales. One weight scale like this, where you put object which you have to mass, which you have to weight on the one side, and other side you put the weight and you check how much weight is that. And another one is this weight balance, where you check the needle and then you will be able to say that how much mass of a particular object or thing is that. Like this washing powder mass is 4 kg. So there were weighing scales that can measure the mass of objects in kilogram, and we had to find the mass of the bag of flour by looking the scale here. So for this, for finding out the mass of this, what you will check? You will check the needle. This is in kg, 0 kg, 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg, and 4 kg, right? So you can see that needle is it exactly at 3. So you can easily say, sir, the mass of the bag of flour is 3 kg. Same here, if you put the radio here and you check the mass of this radio, so you can see that the mass of this radio is not exactly 1 kg. You can see that if you check in the book, guys. For this you need to take out your notebook, okay? We will discuss in detail. Take out your books, page number 138. Open page number 138. Did you open page number 138 of your book, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
That's very good.
Yes,
That's very good.
sir.
That's very good. So guys, look here on page number 138. You can see that this needle is not at 1. This is not at 1. It is less than 1, right? So the needle is before 1. That's mean that is less than about 1 kg. That is less than 1 kg. It is not exactly at 1 kg. If this needle reach up to here at 1, so you will say, sir, it is 1 kg. But it is before 1, that's mean it is less than 1 kg. So you will say, sir, the mass of the radio is less than 1 kg. If the needle comes exactly at 1, 2, 3, 4, so you can easily say, sir, the mass of that object is 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg, or 4 kg. And if it doesn't come exactly at 1, so you can check the number like 1. It is, if it is before, so you will say it is less than 1. If it is before 2, you will say it is less than 2. If it is before 3, you will say it is less than 3 kg. Is it clear, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's very good. Coming to the next page, page number 139. Here, guys, we had to compare three masses, right? We were comparing here three masses. The first was the packet of the tissue, I mean this one. The second was the cloth packs, and the third was piece of paper. So I taught you how you can check the weight of this weight balance. Let's come here. I tell you that it is starting from 0 gram and up to 100 gram, this weight balance scale. And you have to find out this one interval is equals to how many gram. This is very important. How you will find out? You will check from 0 to 20. How many small intervals are there? 1, 2, 3, and then 4. There are 4 intervals. And from 0 to 20, how many total grams are there? What is the difference? 20 minus 0 is equals to 20. So there are 20 gram from 0 to 20 here. So what you will do, you will write 20, and because they are small, there are short 4 intervals here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will divide by 4. When you divide 20 by 4, so the answer is 5. You will check the table of 4. 4 multiplied by what will give you 20? 4 1 4, 4 2 8, 4 3 12, 4 4 16, and 4 5 20. That's mean every interval is equals to 5 gram. In that way, you can easily say, if I ask you about this point, this you will say this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, this is 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 90, 85, 90, 95, and this is 100. In this way, the gram, you can just read out the scale and you can check the reading. Now, when you had to check the weight of this packet of tissue, so you can see that this is the needle, this is the point, this is the line. So it is more than 20. And more than 20, it is how much? Just one interval after 20. You know that one interval is equals to 5 gram. So you will add 5 in 20. 20 plus by 5 is equals to 25 gram. So you will say the packet of tissue is 25 gram. Now talk about this cloth pack. If you see that this is how many interval? 1 and 2. You know one interval is equals to 5. So 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. So packet of tissue is cloth pack is equals to, the mass of cloth pack is equals to 10 gram. And if you talk about this piece of paper, so you will see that this is only the first interval. The first interval. So one interval is equals to 5 gram. So you will say, sir, it is equals to 5 gram. It is equals to 5 gram, like this. Up to here, everything is clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's very good. Now what you need to do, guys, you need to compare the masses. Okay, you need to check that how much. First you need to check which is the heaviest in packet of tissue, clothes, and piece of paper. So this is 25 gram, this is 10 gram, and this is 5 gram. 25, 10, and 5. So which is the heaviest, which has the more weight? So you will say, sir, it is packet of tissue. So you can say, sir, packet of tissue is heavier than cloth pack and piece of paper. Or if I ask you which is lighter here, so you can say, sir, piece of paper is lighter than clothes bag and packet of tissue. Okay. Now I will ask you that packet of tissue is how much heavier than piece of paper. So for that, what you will do, packet of tissue is 25 gram and piece of paper is 5 gram. You will do same as you did in comparing lengths. You will subtract, you will find out the difference. 25 minus 5 is equals to 20 gram. So you will say, sir, piece of packet of tissue is 20 gram heavier than piece of paper, right? If I ask you about a piece of paper and clothes peg, piece of paper and clothes peg, and if I ask you check which is lightest, so you will say, sir, piece of paper is lightest because it is 5 is smaller, cloth pack is 10 bigger. Then tell me how much lighter piece of paper is than cloth pack. So what you will do, you will subtract again, you will find out the difference. 10 minus 5 is equals to 5. So you will say the piece of paper is 5 gram lighter than clothes pack. And if they talk about heaviest, 25 gram, cloth bag, 10 gram, piece of paper, 5 gram. So this is, we have arranged from heaviest to lightest. Up to here, everything is clear, guys?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah.
That's very good. That's very good. Now, come to the practice zone. Bubble, Wrinkle, and Jimbo. They all are celebrating their birthdays. Look at the pictures below, then fill in the boxes. Guys, check. These are the cakes of Bubble, Jimbo, and Wrinkle. You have to check the masses of these cakes. What is the mass of bubble cake? Can you tell me, guys? What is the mass of bubble cake?
2 kilogram.
2
2
gram.
kilogram.
2 gram. 2 gram. 2 gram. 2 gram. 2 gram.
Very good. The answer is 2 kilogram. Students, it is kg. If you check in the book, page number 139, you can easily see it is kg. So the weight, the mass of this bubbles cake is equals to 2 kilogram. Now check the mass of this Jimbo's cake. Check the needle at which number the needle is pointed and tell me what is the mass of Jimbo's cake. Yes, guys.
2 kilogram. 2
2
kilogram.
kilogram. 2 kilogram. 2 kilogram.
2
Kilogram.
kilogram. 2 kilogram.
Okay. Very good, Muhammad Farooq. Yes, guys. You can say that Jimbo's cake is also 2 kilogram. How do you know? Because the needle is exactly at 2. So this is also 2 kilogram. Now check the wrinkle cake's mass and tell me in the chat box how much the weight of the mass of this wrinkles cake. Sharif, Saud, Ammar, Asar, very good. Ayan, Abdul Rahman, Ilyas, very good. Muhammad Farooq, very good. Saud, very good. Hamedo, very good. Abdul Rahim, Zaid, Suleiman, very good. It's very easy question. Saud, very good. I'm going to open your mic and you will tell me. What is the weight, what is the mass of wrinkles cake, guys?
1 kilogram. 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram.
Very good. The weight of this is 1 kilogram. The mass of this wrinkles cake is 1 kilogram. Now come to the page number 140, guys. Open page number 140. Page number 140. Now check on page number 139. Check. The question is here. The mass of Jimbo's birthday cake is dash. On page number 39, Jimbo's cake mass. So, what is the mass of Jimbo's cake? Yes, guys, what is the mass of Jimbo's cake?
2 kilogram, 2 kilogram, 2 kilogram, 2 kilogram, 2 kilogram.
That's very good. So, you will write here it is 2 kilogram. It is 2 kg. Now, you will have to check the mass of Wrinkle's birthday cake. On page number 139, the mass of Wrinkle's cake is, yes guys, how much?
1 kilogram, 1
kilogram, 1
kilogram, sir, 1 kilogram.
That's very good. The mass of Wrinkle's cake is 1 kilogram. Then the mass of Bubble's birthday cake is, come to again page number 139, Bubble. This is Bubble. What is the mass of Bubble's cake, guys?
2 kilogram,
2 kilogram, 2 kilogram.
sir. 2 kilogram, 2 kilogram, 2
Very good.
kilogram, 2 kilogram.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good, guys. The answer is 2 kilogram. So you will write here 2. Now, whose birthday cake has the same mass? You have to write the name of those either Jimbo, Wrinkle, and Bubble who are having the cake of same masses. So tell me, among Jimbo, Wrinkle, and Bubble, which two are having same which two are having cake of same masses? Yes, tell me in the chat box, guys. The name, which two are having same masses? Cakes here, which two are having masses of same cake with same masses? You have to write the name here, guys. Jimbo, Wrinkle, Jimbo Bubble, Wrinkle Jimbo, or Wrinkle Bubble. So you can check here that Bubble and Jimbo. I received the answers in the Adam, very good. Hamedo, very good. That's very good. So this is the answer, guys. Jimbo. Jimbo. Bubble. So good answers from Saud, Sharif, Abdul Rahman, Rafiq, Muhammad Farooq, Abdul Rahim Fadi, Ayan. Your answers are correct. So this is the answer, guys. Jimbo and Baba. Clear? Is it clear, guys?
Yes.
Yes, yes,
Yes. Yes.
yes,
Yes.
yes, yes.
That's very good. Come to here, guys. Question number 2. Mrs. Zafar measured the mass of 3 vegetables using a weighing scale. Look at the pictures below, then fill in the boxes. You have to check the mass of the onion. Look, this is the point. Okay, so you know it very well that every interval is 5 gram. You know one interval is equals to 5 gram. So you have two ways. It is just one interval before 100. So you can minus 5 from 100. 100 minus 5 is equals to 95 gram. Or you can check from 80. After 80, you will check 1, 2, 3. That's mean in 80 you will plus 3, 5 3 times. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 80. Okay, or you can say 80 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. So 80 plus 5, 85, 85 plus 5, 90, and 90 plus 5, 95. In both way the answer will be same, 95 gram. I again repeat, guys, how you will check it. The needle is at, you can see this is the needle. Check in the book page number 140, guys. You will see it clearly in your book. The point is at exactly one interval before 100. And you know that one interval is equals to 5 gram. So one way is minus 5 from 100. And another way is count in fives after 80. This is 85, this is 90, and this is 95. In both way the answer will be 95 gram. Is it clear, guys?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes, sir. Yes, yes, sir.
That's very good. That's very good. That's very good. Now we will check the mass of this carrot. Look at the mass of this carrot, guys. This is 60. You know every interval is 5 gram. 1, 2. This is at this point. Now you have to tell me the mass of this carrot by yourself. Check. Check in your book and tell me what is the mass of this carrot. Yes. Saud, very good. No, Ilyas. Check again. Hamedo, check carefully. No, Ilyas. Guys, you need to answer it. Answer me in the chat box. Only Saud and Ilyas are answering. What other students are doing? Very good, Muhammad Farooq, Sharif. I am asking about the mass of carrot, not onion. Okay. Abdul Rahman, very good. Adam Khalid, I am asking the mass of carrot, not onion. Look at here, guys. I tell you again. This is the mass of carrot. Okay, this is the mass of carrot. check the point, check the needle. This is the needle, okay? It is at one interval, one line back from 80. Okay, you know that one interval is equals to 5 gram. So again, what you can do, you can minus 5 from 80 and check. 80 minus 5 is equals to 75 gram. Or you can check, you can count in fives after 60. 65, 70, and this is 75. In that way you can also find out. Again I repeat, as you know that every one interval is equals to 5 gram. Okay, so this is one interval before 80. So you can minus 5 from 80 because one interval is equals to 5 gram, or from 60 you can count in 5. This is 65, this is 70, and this is 75. In both ways the answer will be 75 gram. In both ways the answer will be 75 gram. Is it clear, guys?
Yes. All in my
Yes.
Very good. Now you have to check the mass of the tomato. Check the mass of the tomato by yourself and tell me the answer. Mass of the tomato is very easy. Check the needle and tell me the mass of the tomato. Very good, Saud. Adam Khalid, very good. Os, very good. Sharif, very good. No answer. Mass of the tomato. Abdul Rahman, very good. Rafiq Samir, very good. It's in gram, not in kilogram, okay? Adan, very good. Suleiman, very good. Abdul Rahim Fadi, no. Hamedo, no. I'm going to open your mic and you will tell me. Yes, guys. What is the mass of this tomato?
80
That's very good. The mass of this tomato is at 80 gram because you can see the needle is exactly at 80. It is pointed at 80. So this is 80 gram. This is 80 gram. Now you can just fill it out this. The mass of onion is 95. You know, the mass of the carrot, this is carrot. Carrot mass is 75 gram. So you will write here 75. And the mass of tomato is 80 gram. So the mass of the tomato is 80 gram. Guys, they are asking which is the heaviest vegetable. Yes, which is the heaviest vegetable? Can you tell me?
Tomato.
Very good. The answer is onion. Why onion? Because onion has greater mass, more mass than carrot and tomato. It is 95 gram, whereas carrot is only 75 and tomato is 80. So heaviest vegetable is onion. So you will write here onion. The answer is onion. Now tell me the lightest vegetable which has less weight. Which has the least weight here? Mass.
Carrots, 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 carrots,
Very
carrots,
good.
carrots, carrots.
Very good. Very good. The answer is carrot because it is having less mass than onion and tomato. It is smaller, 75. So you will write here the answer is carrot. Now, tomato is dash gram heavier than carrot. So look at this is 80. And you have to find out the difference. How much heavier? Minus. What is the weight of carrot? The carrot weight is 75 gram. 80 minus 75 is equals to 5. So you will say the tomato is 5 gram heavier than carrot. How do you know it is 5 gram heavier? Because you find out the difference. Okay. The tomato weight was tomato mass was 80. Carrot mass was 75. When you subtract their masses, you find out the difference, that is 5 grams. So you can say that it is 5 gram. Tomato is 5 gram heavier than carrot. Okay. And tomato is dash gram lighter than onion. So what you will do now, you will write onion first. What is the mass of onion? That is 95 minus 95 minus tomato is equals to 80. 95 minus 80 is equals to what? So look here guys, this is 95, this is 80, minus 5 minus 0, 5, 9 minus 8, 1. This is 15. 95 minus 80 is equals to 15. So you can say that tomato is 15 gram lighter than the onion. Again I repeat, how do you know? You find out the difference. The mass of onion is 95 and the mass of tomato is 80. Once you subtract 80 from 95, you will find out the answer is 15. That means tomato is 15 gram lighter than onion. So combinedly I can say tomato is 5 gram heavier than carrot and 15 gram lighter than onion. Is it clear guys?
Yes.
That's very good guys. Inshallah we'll continue from here. If you have any questions, I'll take your questions in the next class. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.
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 Bye bye. Bye bye.